show you how to glow up in just one day. Yes, you heard that right. By the end of today, you will feel more confident, refreshed, and totally radiant. So, if you want to glow from your hair to your toes, keep watching this video till end. I am Susri and welcome back to my channel Be Beauty and Healthy. Step 1 is cleansing, and for oily skin this trick works like super magic. Take a small amount of coconut oil and gently massage it on your dry face in circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't avoid neck area. Rinse the coconut oil lightly with cold water. Apply a gentle foaming face wash containing salicylic acid and glycolic acid. Massage for 30 to 60 seconds and then rinse. This face wash not only controls oil but also prevents breakouts and makes your skin smoother and brighter. It's perfect for oily and acne prone skin type. Step 2. Steaming with tea tree essential oil. Just add water to steamer and few drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil is best for oily and acne prone skin. Steaming helps open up your pores so that unnatural blackheads and whiteheads will remove easily. Step 3 is scrubbing. Now that our pores are open, it's the perfect time to exfoliate. I am using Everyouth Naturals Exfoliant Walnut Scrub to remove dead skins, blackheads and whiteheads, also to bring out that natural glow. Scrub gently in circular motion for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Step 4. Removing my stupid facial hairs. Now that our skin is super clean and soft, this makes my skin look smoother and adds instant glow. Apply a thick layer of aloe vera gel to help the razor glide smoothly. Hold your skin tight with one hand. Gently shave downward. Always go slow. This step will make your skin feel like silk instantly. Rinse with cold water. After shave, skin is sensitive, so let's calm it down with some toner. Apply a few drops of alcohol-free toner. This step is totally new for me. I am going to try the Pilgrim 25% AHA, 2% BHA and 5% PHA peeling solution. I have seen many positive reviews and also so many people talk about it online. Everyone says it gives that instant glow and shine. So let's try it together and see how it works for me exactly. By the way, this is totally non-sponsored. Applying a thin layer all over my face. Keep it on for about 5 to 8 minutes so that the magic will happen instantly. Not more than that, because this is a strong exfoliating peeling solution. After washing my face, my skin feels so smooth and clean. You can see the difference on screen. Next is most wanted step, detanning. I am using Raga Professional Detan Face Pack. Let's know why this step matters. After exfoliating or peeling, your skin needs something soothing and extra cooling. This helps remove tan, reduce redness and adds that natural glow without any harsh chemicals. Apply an even layer all over face by using a brush. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's dry, rinse off gently with cool water and pat dry with a soft towel. So guys, that's all for now. We have done a bunch of glow steps so far and trust me, the next ones are even better. I will be sharing the remaining steps in part 2. So don't miss it. If you are enjoying this glow up series, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.